There is a great saying, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Yes, that's a hope and a spirit a gardener can have. Here is the one-stop solution for all your gardening needs. Multiplex offers ready potting soil Prithvi, and for nutrient management, Multiplex offers products like vermicompost Parampara, organic manure Annapurna, Neem powder Mahan, all major, secondary and micronutrients, garden mixture, essential nutrients flower booster, complex mixture containing all major nutrients derived from organic sources green booster, essential nutrients in a tablet form, Sambrama, and so on. To manage pests and diseases, neem oil-based biopesticide Multineem and Navatara to control thrips, aphids and jassids. Yodha to control bollworm, stem borer, leaf folder, fruit and shoot borers. Clash D for fruit borer, root grubs and diamondback moth, etc. Multiplex, one-stop solution for all your gardening needs.